how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone on PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Call of Duty Warzone on PC in 2025. Uh, so let's just directly get into the video. So first of all, you have to open a new tab on your browser and search for Steam. uh, Steam. And as you can see, welcome to Steam. That's the first link we have got, and you have to click on that, and you just have to simply log in to your account. From here I've already logged into my account. So after that, you have to click on the search bar from here and search for Call of Duty Warzone. And after that, as you can see, Call of Duty Black Ops, Call of Duty Warzone has arrived, and you just have to simply click on here. As you can see, there's the game Call of Duty Warzone. So uh, we can just play games for free, or we can just add to library. So in this video, I was about to show you how you can download and install it. So for that, you have to click on click on play game, and after that you have to just click on yes, Steam installed. No, I need to Steam. I need Steam, and you just have to click on that one of these and install the Steam first, and then you can start downloading the Call of Duty version from there and install it, and just you are ready to go to play the game from there. That's it for this video. See you on the next one.